Today we're hanging out at the 84th Sturgis Motorcycle Rally, and we're at Elkhorn Ridge RV Resort. And this week there are more $2 million plus motorhomes here at Elkhorn than anywhere I've ever been. And as we walk around this resort, we can see that all of these coaches are extremely clean. The owners of coaches at this level take pride in their coach. And when you're hanging out at a resort like this, you do not want to be the guy with a dirty coach. So today I want to share with you some of the easiest ways to clean a $2 million motorhome. And these products will work on other motorhomes as well. And the best part about these Bling Sauce products is all you're going to need is the product and a microfiber towel, so you don't have to jack around with hoses or DI filters and all of the heavy duty equipment that's usually required to clean a coach. Now, we have been in touch with the team at Bling Sauce trying to develop the best products and the best tools possible, and they just sent me some new tools with some extension poles so that we can clean the top portion of the RV without a ladder. Those just arrived at my house in Florida yesterday, so as soon as we get back to Florida, we're going to demonstrate how to clean the tops of an RV as well. But here at Sturgis, we've got this brand new Prevost Emerald luxury coach, and it's got bugs on it. This coach is dirty. It drove all the way up here from Colorado, and this is a brand new coach, so we've got to be very careful to make sure we're not damaging this coach when we clean it. Now, getting the bugs off of the front of the coach is one of the most important parts of cleaning your RV. Those bugs have an acidic juice in their bug guts that will start to eat into that clear coat if it isn't cleaned off quickly. The longer those bugs sit on there, the worse it is. So what I really like about Bug Sauce is you don't have to pull out a garden hose or a power washer. We can get the bugs off this coach with just the Bug Sauce. So after you've been driving your motorhome all day, the last thing you want to do is go set up a power washer. So what I recommend is getting a bottle of Bug Sauce, some microfiber towels, and as you can see, this Emerald has picked up a few bugs on the way. And this is a display coach, so this is a brand new Emerald luxury coach. These are pushing on $3 million brand new. So I'm gonna start spraying a small section at a time, and that's probably a little bit larger section, but on a nice cool morning like today, you can get away with doing a little bit larger sections. As the sun comes out and as it gets hotter, you're gonna wanna stick to smaller sections. You don't wanna let the product dry, but you wanna let it sit for about a minute to break down those bug guts. And here in just a moment, I'm gonna wipe these off with just a microfiber towel. Now, these are safe on ceramic coatings. I know a lot of these new Emeralds are getting ceramic coated, so it's very important to have a pH balanced bug cleaner that's not gonna strip that ceramic coating off. And I always like to spray from the bottom to the top, and it's been about 45 seconds to a minute that the product has been sitting on here. So check this out. I'm not even gonna apply a lot of pressure. I wanna stay gentle. If you start pressing too heavy, you could scratch the paint, but I'm being very gentle, and you can see they just easily come off. And this is safe on the headlight lenses here. It's safe on glass, safe on the rear view mirrors here, and it's just so easy and just effortless to clean these. And a little pro tip is you want to make sure you're getting enough product deep up in all of those little crevices, because those bugs are going to catch all those little areas. And you can see the bugs are starting to stack up on the microfiber towel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it into 4 squares. You can see this has got some of the bigger bugs. And you want to make sure that you're not just cleaning the coach with a microfiber towel that's starting to get the bugs built up. You're going to want to keep a few microfiber towels, and as it gets those bugs on it, you want to make sure you have a clean microfiber towel. So going back here into all these little crevices, that Bug Sauce is breaking down all those bug guts, and then I like to make sure we get that microfiber towel deep in there. Most non-professional detailers are not gonna, go deep in all of the little cracks and crannies. So we've got a little bit of a sun coming out here, so I'm gonna do a little smaller area. We're running into some fans of the channel here at Elkhorn. We appreciate all of the support, and I've I've got to tip my hats to all the professional detailers out here doing this stuff day in and day out. A lot of work to keep these coaches clean. Because this has a siphon pump, when you're not using the product, you do want to twist that close so you're not wasting any product. And as that product is sitting on here, I just got to show you guys real quick. When we walk through this park, look at the level of coaches that we've got in here. That's the Liberty coach. It was 50 shades of white. Super cool coach. Over here is Liberty Coach 909. We did a video on that one recently. And then as you go down here, see our good friend Dean Laux turtle mode bus. We could walk through this park all day. We are going to do some other videos showing more of the Sturgis rally experience. We will leave that in the description below, but it's been about 45 seconds now. Perfect timing to come back and get these bugs off. It's just so effortless, guys. I detailed professionally for over 10 years and I've just tried so many products, and this is a product that's filling a need in the market. To be able to get the bugs off without having to use a garden hose is just a game changer. And I did do an entire video back in Florida just showing this process. Now there's another product that I want to show you called RV Sauce, where we can clean the side of the coach. So again, we're going to let this sit for about 45 seconds to a minute. And again, we'll just easily wipe all these bugs off. Again, just switching it into 4s. It's a little windy out here today, and it's another nice thing when you're trying to clean a coach. If you have to spray a garden hose or a power washer in this kind of winds, a lot of times you're going to end up getting your neighbor's coach dirty. So with this product, you can just spray it up close and control it much more than dealing with a power washer. So this is also safe on glass, rear view mirrors. Looks like they were busting some bugs on the way up here from Colorado. This is about a $2.2 million motorhome, and this coach is available at Trans West in Frederick, Colorado right now. And as you can see, those bugs just come effortlessly off of the mirror here, and it's not leaving any smudges behind. You know, that's something that a lot of bug removers, like this is just a microfiber towel. The bug remover, I'm not coming back over with a quick detailer or anything. Now I do fold my towel a few times just to make sure we're getting that final wipe with a clean surface, but just an incredible product. So therapeutic being out here on a nice morning. We're, you know, talking to the neighbors. We just had some folks come up, and when they saw how easy these bugs were coming off, they were taking pictures. They wanted to make sure they got a bottle of bug sauce. So again, it's important to have patience. It's been about, you know, 15 or 20 seconds. As much as I want to just start rubbing away, I've got to just wait for a little bit. And here in a moment, I want to show you the RV sauce and how we can clean the side of the coach. I'm going to wipe this down here real quick, and then let's go to the side of the coach. And I think you guys are going to be just as impressed with the RV sauce as you are with the bug sauce. So then another little pro tip is a lot of times that bug splatter will get on this window here. As we can see, I cleaned it up pretty quickly, but you want to make sure you get some of that bug sauce to get this window clean as well, because those bugs will splatter on your driver's window. Now that we got the bugs off of the front of the coach, I'm going to use the RV sauce to clean the paint on this coach. Now this product will remove light dirt, light grime, light dust, and it's also adding a ceramic protection as well. So again, I prefer to spray bottom to top. That's just how I was taught in the chemical business. And I could probably reach this whole door all in one shot. And we don't have to wait on this product like we did with the bug sauce. We can just clean it right away. And it is just so effortless. I'm gonna flip my towel one time and just easy peasy here. So then you can see here, you know, we've got that light dirt build up there from maybe a couple rainstorms. Here you can see just a little bit of runoff and that dust inside the slide room. And again, just a couple little mist. And then I'll flip that towel one time after the original wipe, and it's just so smooth as well. When you feel that, it's adding that protection as well. And I want to make sure on the more dirtier areas that I've got plenty of product here. We accidentally rang the doorbell. Want to make sure the doorbell is nice and clean. It's not scratching the paint, and this is black paint, ceramic coated. This is a brand new, you know, this bus is over $2 million. So now this part of the coach is going to be where a lot of the dirt and grime gets built up. We got fingerprints around the bay doors, and I'm being pretty generous. I'm getting a pretty big area here. Just easy peasy, and I'm going to flip my towel as we go through. And then as your towel gets built up with product, you're going to want to make sure you switch your microfiber towels so that you're not using a wet towel. And you can see even on black paint, you know, black is always the hardest to keep clean, but just incredible the difference there. So here again, you can see that buildup of dust here. Yeah, so I'm just spraying this. So again, it's cleaning and protecting. So even some of those micro scratches are gonna get cleaned up with this product, cleaning and protecting all in one shot. So when we follow here, you can see the area that has not been cleaned yet. See the dirt, the micro scratches, all of that stuff is getting cleaned up. You can even use RV sauce on your wheels as well. So this is gonna be the dirtiest part of the coach. You know, you can see when I rub my finger over it, very black. You've got all that brake dust build up, and as long as it's not, you know, overly dirty, the RV sauce is still going to work on wheels. And this coach did drive up from Denver, Colorado, so a few hundred miles, not in any rainstorms or anything, so it's not overly dirty, but getting all that brake dust off, and then it's cleaning and protecting. Now, what I really like about using the RV sauce on the wheels is with that ceramic coating property, it's gonna help resist brake dust. So the wheels are not gonna get as dirty as quickly once this product is on there. Now, I definitely don't ever wanna use the same towels on the wheels and go back to the paint. You're gonna wanna make sure you're using separate towels. You don't wanna miss all of these little loops here. It's easy to miss those, so I like to make sure we spray inside that, getting all that brake dust out of these holes here. You guys can't feel this, but when you feel this with the back of your hand, it's super slick to the touch. Now there is dust here, so I'm not gonna drag my hand, but when I put my hand on it, it's sticking. It doesn't have that same smooth property, and that's what's going to help keep this coach clean. So when it's super smooth and super slick like that, the dust isn't going to stick as much. And I know a lot of you RVers out there don't want to get on a ladder, so I've been really pushing the team at Bling Sauce to develop some products so that we can clean these coaches not on a ladder. We've been testing stuff, going back and forth, so I'm really excited to be working with the team at Bling Sauce to help develop the best detail products for RV consumers. And these products are available now on blingsauce.com. I'll put a coupon code in the description below so you can get a discount. And other Bling Sauce products are in a lot of the well-known big box retailers, their marine line, their automotive line. So keep an eye out for the Bling Sauce products coming to big box stores in the near future as well. We greatly appreciate them, and we greatly appreciate all of you subscribing. We hope you're all having a great day.